How to apply for Lloyds Bank credit card online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process is quite simple. So in order to do so, first and foremost, you need to visit official Lloyds Bank's website. For that, open any of your preferred browser and go to lloydsbank.com. Next up, tap on the menu and then go to borrowing list. There you will see credit card eligibility checker. Tap on it. You have to answer some of the questions such as your title, first name, last name, date of birth in order to accurately find out your eligibility for the credit card. So first of all, fill in all the details. But you do not have to worry, and it does not determine any of your credit card score. So once you have filled in all the form, it will give you the result regarding eligibility. Once you're eligible, you can proceed with the application process, which will ask you to fill in other details. And once all of this is done, you should be able to apply for the credit card. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.